if you have someone around you, or you are the one who are a minister of God, the way to fruitfulness is death. The bread they presented to Jesus. If Jesus is going to make your life edible, if people will eat from you, your life must be broken. They presented the bread and he gave thanks. What he did, he broke it. So there is no magic. You can be quoting scriptures. The covenant of God is upon you. Yeah, no doubt about it. The Holy Spirit has spoken to you. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We knew it. But the way to enter into what God has for you is to die. If you don't die, you cannot resurrect. If you don't resurrect, forget about enacting the kingdom of God on earth. Can I leave this to you? So the cross of this matter is that I must